At Alaska's family farm, Alaska has his farmhand companion Wolfbot, always by his side. Wolfbot was originally built for industrial logistics, large, sturdy, with tractor-tread feet that could fold into high-speed wheels, and arms that could reconfigure into tools. Alaska had, however, programmed him further for more specific farming purposes. Wolfbot had been made to herd cattle gently, repair irrigation pipes, undertake cattle health check, and even play harmonica to the cattle to soothe them. As the seasons changed and the new warmth came, the farm's creek began to grow murky. It carried soil runoff, dissolved minerals, and chemical traces from upriver. The cattle needed clean drinking water, and the land itself needed protection. Alaska has an idea. Back in 2025, the world had celebrated the Nobel Prize-winning breakthrough of the metal organic molecule formation technology, the invention that allowed humans to design porous crystalline sheets called MOFs, materials with microscopic tunnels that could capture, filter, or convert specific chemicals. What had once been laboratory curiosities now existed in flexible panels, tiles, and sheets, lightweight and incredibly smart. Alaska bought a set of experimental MOF environmental panels. He set his mind on building something entirely new with Wolfbot's engineering modules, a MOF self-sustaining water feeding and purification system.
Water quality index declining. Recommendation filtration installation required.
I know, partner. Let's fix this before winter calves.
Wolfbot rolled beside the creek, scanners glowing soft blue. Together, they set down long MOF strips designed to absorb heavy metal pollutants. The material shimmered like frost in the morning sun. Wolfbot anchored each piece with gentle hydraulic precision. Next, they installed MOF sheets that captured excess nitrates and agricultural runoff, purifying while letting fresh minerals pass through. Finally, they built a gravity flow trough where filtered creek water ran naturally downhill into a circular drinking pool. Wolfbot installed a solar tracking pump so that no electricity was needed. The cattle approached cautiously, sniffing, listening to the gentle bubbling of the fresh water. One by one, they drank. Tails flicked, heads nodded. The herd was pleased. The system was alive in its own way. The MOF panels regenerated under sunlight. Pollutants trapped during the day released in controlled heat cycles at night into sealed collection chambers. Nothing was wasted. Nothing returned downstream. Salmon swim happily along the creek. Birds gathered in the willows.
Now, let's build MOF drinking water system.
Moisture content in atmosphere is sufficient. Carbon dioxide concentration elevated. We can use MOF air hydra panels.
Alaska and Wolfbot chose a sunny slope facing the prevailing winds. They mounted rows of MOF air hydra panels, like tall, open slats. As wind passed over them, the panels trapped carbon dioxide within their internal lattices, where reactions caused microscopic beads of water to form. Beads that gathered and ran into narrow channels, then flew into the gravity-fed trough that led down into a large circular drinking basin. No machinery needed fuel, only air. By noon, streams began to run down the channels. By dusk, the trough held a small pool of crystal-clear water. The herd drank deeply. The cattle's ears flicked in contentment. The system worked even better than expected. The farm is not only watering its herds, it is cleaning water and cleaning the air. Every quiet breeze passing through the MOF panels made the sky just a little clearer.